Hey there, Greg Marchand here. You want to improve your efficiency and productivity in the shop? The number one thing you can do is track it, measure it. What gets measured gets changed. I think Peter Drucker said that once. All right, so if your employees are not punching on and off jobs, you have no data and you can't measure it. So the number one thing you need to do first is start measuring it if you're not. If you are measuring it, fantastic. Set some targets, celebrate when those targets are hit, move that target only when they've hit those targets 4 to 6 times in a row, so 4 to 6 weeks in a row. And then if you're doing that now, have daily shop meetings with every employee about their targets, about where they can improve, how they can improve, and what they need to improve. You do those 3 things, your efficiency and your productivity will increase. Hit that subscribe button, reach out if you need help, keep up the great work, and never, ever, ever stop your learning.